Hey friends, before we start, I want to let you know that every tip you'll hear here comes directly from technicians with years of experience at this highly respected appliance repair shop. Reassuring. So relax because we're going to fix that issue. When a customer comes in saying, "My GE dishwasher started showing CFE and wouldn't start," the first thing we explain in the shop is that this code usually appears when water isn't circulating properly or the machine detects irregular pressure. Thoughtful, shop technicians have seen that CFE can appear both when filling and draining, so we always check the entire water flow before thinking about replacing any parts. In many cases, the circulation pump is the culprit. If the pump blades are blocked by food debris or the seal is worn, water doesn't flow evenly, and the dishwasher triggers CFE. Shop technicians clean the pump, inspect the blades, and, if needed, replace the seal to restore proper flow. Some customers notice, "It sounds like something is trying to turn but the water doesn't flow right," which matches what we find when checking the pump. Additionally, the inlet and drain hoses play an important role. If they're bent, clogged, or improperly connected, the flow is disrupted and the dishwasher interprets it as a fault. Shop technicians always make sure hoses are straight and free of debris, ensuring water can circulate without restrictions. As one customer told us, when the hose was twisted, it seemed like the machine was struggling to fill, confirming the importance of this check. Internal filters can also trigger the CFE error. Food particles or sediment buildup in the water injector filters can block consistent flow, causing the machine to register a fault. Shop technicians carefully remove and clean the filters, making sure nothing obstructs the water. This usually eliminates the error without needing to replace expensive parts. In less common cases, the problem can be in the flow sensors or the electronic control board. Shop technicians check sensor signals and, if defective, replace the part to ensure proper and stable flow. Some GE technical bulletins confirm that certain models showed CFE due to faulty sensors, and the definitive solution is a controlled replacement by a qualified technician.